Academic excellence on Peralta News.
After I retired, my wife said, well, you need to do something because you're bored to death. I'm here at Laney trying to get my carpenter certification. I'm a retiree.
The class is really fun. You get to use power tools. That's the best part. And it's really, like, woodworking is not easy. It's very meticulous and you have to spend a lot of time measuring these things out and figuring them out, and you make a lot of mistakes. But whenever you get it right, it's the best feeling.
The Dandelion Project is a very interesting project. It's sort of giving us the experience of putting a whole house together, but on a smaller scale, but all the finished work that's required and the details of putting that together has just been an excellent experience for me and a lot of my co-workers or my co-partners.
I think that you could heat the whole thing up with a hairdryer because the walls are so thick, and it's got a waterproof coating and then little battens to let the water drain down.
We all work together and learn how to work together. Once you learn that, you can take those skills to any environment.
You can take anything you want here. It's cool. You don't find it at very many colleges where you can learn however much of a trade that you want to and then just kind of drop off and do something else. If you want to have this eccentric education, you can do it here.
If you have a chance to come out and see the Dandelion, please do. Understand where it's going and understand the opportunity for finding a job are right here at Laney College. You just have to enjoy the experience of learning.
Thank you for watching Academic Excellence on Peralta News.